How to make light and dark mode in Framer with a toggle button. So here I am in the Framer homepage, and then from here, make sure you're already logged in to your Framer account. And then we need to go to the project's dashboard. So just hover your mouse right here to dashboard and then click projects. Now you should be redirected to your project's dashboard, and then you should have all of your projects right here. And then you can select a Framer project that you want to edit. Or if you don't have any project yet, you can just click new project, and then you can choose if you want to create a blank project or you can use a template. So in my case, I already opened my project right here in another tab, and then here I have a blank project. And then, for example, I'll just add like a sample section right here so that we don't have this blank website right here. So let me go to insert, go to sections. And then, for example, I'll add the sample section right here. And then I'll add, for example, this one. So this is just an example for a section. If you want to have like a light and dark mode, what you can do is that you can go to an element. So for example, I'll click on this element right here. And then I can scroll down, go to styles, and then I can click on the color. And then I can click new style right here. So if I click new style, as you can see, you will have two tabs right here. You have a color for the light mode, and then you have a color for the dark mode. So I'll just name this light and dark mode. And then for example, for the light mode, I want to have like a plain color white as the background. And then for the dark mode, I can have like a dark background right here, like a dark gray or near black background. And then I can just click create, and then now we have applied the dark mode right here in our Framer project. So this is because I'm currently using the dark mode in my browser. So the way that the light and dark mode in Framer works is that it detects if your computer is using light mode or if your computer is using dark mode. So whatever it detects, so for example, if Framer detects that you are using dark mode, it will adjust all of the Framer website to have the dark mode features. If it detects that your computer is using a light mode, then the Framer website will adjust its features to have the light mode theme. So that is how you can have the light and dark mode in Framer. But if you want to use like a toggle button, what we need to do is that we need to have a plugin. So it's either you create your own toggle button from scratch, or you can just use a plugin that is created right here in the Framer marketplace. So I can just go right here to plugins and then click browse all, and then click browse plugins. Then from here, you can search for components for a toggle button. So let's go to components, click components right here, and then you can search for like a theme toggle right here. And then you should have some different choices right here, but most of them has like a payment for you to be able to use them. But don't worry, since I found a free component right here that we can use. So let's go back to the search bar and then type in theme changer. Then we can see a free theme changer right here that we can use as a toggle button for our Framer website. So you also have this one. This one is also a free theme changer right here, but I prefer this one. But it's up to you if you want to choose to use this other theme toggle button right here. So I'll just choose this one. Then we'll just wait for it to finish loading. Now we have this. So it's either you use the switch button right here. So as you can see, it changes from the dark mode to light mode, or you can use this toggle button right here, where if you click on it, it automatically changes its dark and light mode. So just choose one that you want, and then from here, just click copy component. And then you can see the description right here about this free theme changer right here. Then let's go back to our Framer project, and then we can simply paste the component right here. So let me do it again. So I just use the Control V, the paste command in the keyboard, and then now we have this theme changer component right here. So it's up to you where you want to put the theme changer. If you wanted to put it inside of this stack right here, or I'll just make it absolute so that we can place the theme changer right here. And then you should also change the styles of the other elements right here. Like for example, let's say this text right here. Let's go to styles, click new style. Oops, sorry. Let's go to color, not style. And then let's also choose this light and dark mode, but let's edit this where the color should be different. So I'll just make a new style right here. Then I'll say text, light, dark mode. And then for the text, let's make the light mode to be, for example, red. And then for the dark mode, let's make it blue. Then click create. Then now we have this change right here. And then we can also just do this for the other text. And then for this button right here, you can also just change the style right here if you want. So for example, I'll choose this one. And then when we click the preview, as you can see, we are in the light mode. And then if I click the theme toggle right here, as you can see, it changes to dark mode. And then it also changes the color of the background of the section as well as the color of the text, since that is what we put in the text styles earlier. And then you can also see it reflected right here in your project if you click this toggle button right here to change the light mode and then the dark mode. And then that is basically it. That is how we can make a light and dark mode right here in Framer with a toggle button. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.